Isomero lya Green Valley Primary School omuri Ruborogota Kabuyanda mu district ya Isingiro erukwatibweho okunduzibwa kuza aha mutindo kubasa kuhera omutindo gw'ebyobwegyese omu district egi arukuherezayo obuhwezi bw'ebikoresa nka siminti omushenyi hamwe n'erangi. Omuhwezi mukuru w'ekitongore kya Pizi Uganda Daniel Kyasanga asimire bakuru b'isomero eri ahabw'okugezaho kuhwera ebyobwegyese n'engesho omu baana kandi yabashaba kukoresa kurungi obuhwezi obwo.
We wish to expand access to quality secondary education, but in expanding that access we must pay attention to the foundation where our children come from, and this is how we've come to realize the realities that our children face, the foundation.
Isomero kuteka mu Uganda kugira ngo ni tubashe kuganyirwa isomero munonga ni sima ya master wa peace akukunda sima government age abakutirizana munonga isomero cy'abavuzi mu Uganda rero ni bakatsa
ababonjire baherezayo obuhwezi bw'emifariso hamwe n'obugari kwera abeji b'isomero lya senior area Peace Frontiers abarukurara ahishomero n'abarukushoma abarukutaha kubahweraho omu ntambura. Abataka basimire government ya NRM na President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abo kwikiriza ba Peace Uganda korero mu Uganda kandi basimire ekitongore eki okubasa kuteekateeka ahari Isingiro.
Mpuranye no kushemererwa pango kandi ni n'amashemererwa ngise n'abazire abo kugira ngo umwanya bw'itogu ogwacha musoni kaparish kandi Ruborogota sub-county turiyo muri Isingiro West bitura kimwe kushemererwa kungi ahakwa Peace Uganda Frontiers tekatekaho okwija bakabasa kutondekera ishomero mu mwanya bwitu kandi abana bitu bakabasa kushoma umubinji kandi bashoma barike.
And also thank our parents who pay for us school fees, and also thank our teachers for the work they do in imparting knowledge into us. I wish to conclude by requesting our dear parents to bring more and more learners, because passing is a sure deal here. I wish Jenny Mattis to our visitors.
Bahendere barukubyara emitinka kamanyiso ko kurinda ebyobuhangwa.